Welcome, here I've got CUBOT X18 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left side and pick this button so we can open the advanced camera settings here. Now let's focus on this settings bar. We are from the left in general category. Let's tap to the center to the photo settings. Here we have to slide a little bit down and pick the preview size. And now we can manage aspect ratio. We are in standard 4:3. Let's go to the full screen. And as you can see, the background has changed to the full one, so this is how it works. And of course we can easily go back to standard 4:3 by tapping again on this button from the left. Now automatically we are on the center on photo settings, so we have to tap to the preview size and go to standard 4:3. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.